so busy, y'all. Still
Hey guys, did she like the omelets, the 3 extra land things?
No.
Thank
Okay, so we are at Blondie's. This is my first time here. This is our little spot. Yeah, I'm making the mess. Okay, but I'm a press the power. Hey, boom, we got action. What is it?
Let me grab a.
Maybe it's not on that side of me. This girl like, I'm gonna grab. Do that. Well, take 5.
Take 10, maybe. But it's a low end.
No,
You do not do that? Is that?
Oh my goodness.
Talking about you not to do that? Well, you would look at from the top.
Yeah. Well, I never seen that. I'm sorry. He was not as long as I would have been.
With a straw. It's okay. This is good. You ate it though. Like I was thinking. Yes, I'm not.
Well, it sounds like a list encounter too.
Listen. But you know what I will say? You get a lot.
Let's open the door.
You get a lot out of that little cup. That little cup. I ain't gonna lie to you, baby.
Okay.
That was a nice. So I'm supposed to drink a whole one of these.
Way to turn it around. But also after drinking this, you probably won't have an appetite for like, say, keep you full maybe for up to 5 hours. But what you will need to do, because we want to maximize on your protein, is make sure you eating at least a meal in between that time, a small meal. Chicken, rice, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, nuts. But this is me. I'm so clumsy.
Okay, I have my NBA client. When I leave here, I have he wants a milk prep. Like he just randomly messages me and wants milk prep. So like I'm gonna do that. He always gets salmon. He gets salmon every time. Salmon, spinach, and sweet potato.
Oh, that sounds good.
That table smells good as hell.
Yeah.
This smells really good.
Review coming through. So
that
she said you get a lot
it
out of
doesn't
the
stink.
cup.
Some chocolate powders smell like have a weird after baby formula or something like that. This actually smells fragrant.
Steak and eggs and
Yes, we are.
Chris,
And we did order food. But
this is the steak and eggs. That is the medium well, and this is the medium here. And I will be right back with my fruit.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I wanted to try this. Welcome back to the Billionaire Way. When you're consistent and when you watch what you're putting into your mouth.